Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these really fun and festive wood slab pumpkins. For the materials, you'll need 3 different size wood slabs, orange paint, a paintbrush, fall foliage sprays, hot glue, a drill and bits, and sticks. First, determine where the wood slabs will stand up and mark where you'd like the sticks to go for the stems. Then break off 3 pieces of the stick for the stems. After that, drill holes in the slabs with the proper sized drill bits. Then paint the slabs. Let them dry. Once dry, decorate them with the fall foliage sprays. And that's it! They're super easy and turn out really cute. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.